Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm actually going to be testing the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation for the entire day. So the time now is about 7:15 a.m. in the morning, and I'm actually going to be going to change, and I'm going to be using this AirPods Pro 2nd generation for the entire day to test out, how they're going to be lasting, whether is it as what Apple claims. Alright, so see you guys around. Alright guys, so I'm actually inside air-conditioned food court called Kofu here in Singapore, and I'm actually having my breakfast right now. So this is a pretty traditional breakfast here in Singapore. It consists of toasted bread. This is I think a bun with kaya and butter. This is half-boiled egg. This is my daily dose of coffee. Oh, and I forgot to mention the time. The timer is about 7:15. I've been using the AirPods Pro for about 15 minutes now. Close to that, yeah, 13 minutes now. It's still at 100%. Check in with you guys a bit later. And the surprising thing was, right after I ended the previous video at about 7:35, the AirPods Pro actually dropped 1%, and right now it's dropped further. I think it was at 99 just now. Now at 7:47 it's at like 96% or 95%. Yeah, so it's about 15-20 minutes in, and it has really fallen like about 5%. So yeah, so the thing has actually really started. So let's see how it holds up when I really use it for an entire day, put it through its work, and let's see how it holds up. I'll give you an update later. Hi guys, it's 8:22 a.m. right now. I've been using the AirPods Pro Gen 2 for about an hour now, and it's actually officially dropped below 90%. I think now it's about 88% or 86 or 87%, I forgot. Yeah, so yep, it has dropped about 13-12% since using it for about an hour, which is pretty okay. But I'm going to continue to use it extensively, continuously, while I'm actually out and about today. Keep you guys updated. Alright guys, the time now is 8:46 a.m. in the morning. I've been using the Apple AirPods Pro Gen 2 for about 1.5 hours now. Yeah, and yes, it has officially fallen below 80%. I think the battery life is now about 78-ish%. Yeah, so 1.5 hours in, it's fallen below 80%. I'll continue to use it and keep you guys updated. Hi everyone, the time now is about 9:23-ish a.m. in the morning, and yeah, the Apple AirPods Pro Gen 2 has officially fallen under the 70% mark. It's currently around 68%, and I think I'm about 2 hours in. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty on track to whatever the company is claiming. Apple is claiming I think it's about 5.5 hours ANC on. So yeah, for the past 2 hours it's been on full on ANC, and yeah, I'll continue to use it, and let's see how you perform at the end of the day. We'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, the time now is about 10 o'clock in the morning, and I've been using the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation for about close to 2.5 hours, 3 hours now, and it currently has fallen below the 60% mark. It's currently at about 59-58%. So yeah, I'm going to continue to use it, and let's see how it holds up at the end of the day. Keep you guys updated later. Alright guys, the time now is about 10:25. I've been using the Apple AirPods Pro Gen 2 for about 3 hours now, and the battery life now has fallen below the halfway mark. Right, it has gone below 50%. It's currently at about 49-48. Yeah, well, I'm gonna continue to use it and see how it is at the end of the day. See you guys later. Alright fellas, just a quick update. Now the time is about 10:35. I've been wearing the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation for roughly more than 3 hours. Now it's about 3 hours and I think about 15 or 20 minutes, and after wearing it for like 3 hours consecutive, I'm starting to feel a bit of pain here in, especially around here. Yeah, so I'm actually constantly adjusting it like every 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, here, so you can see it's a bit, the inside is a bit red now. Let me keep it out. And yeah, have a closer look. Yeah, it's a bit red now. I think so. Yeah, bring it back. But I mean, for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna see how it's gonna be like at the end of the day after it goes completely dead. Alright, see you guys later. Hi everyone, the time now is about 11:05, and in a new update, the Apple AirPods Pro Gen 2 has officially fallen under 40%, and I've been using it since about 7:25 AM in the morning. Now it's about, let's say, 8:20, 9:20, 10:20. It's about 3.5 hours. Yeah, so I'll continue to monitor it and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, hi guys, a quick update on usage of the Apple AirPods Pro Gen 2 on a real day in life. The timer is about 11:45. Yep, 11:45. And the AirPods Pro has actually fallen below 30%. It's currently about 28. So I mean, I'll continue to use it until and run it down to 0 and then see how long it lasts. See you guys later. Alright guys, the time now is about 12:20 PM in the afternoon, and the Apple AirPods Pro Gen 2, after my continuous usage since 7:20, about 7:25 AM in this morning, it has fallen below the 20% mark. It's currently at about 18%. So I'm just going to run it down and see how long it's going to last before it finally go dead. Alright, catch you guys later. Alright guys, the time now is about 12:50 PM in the afternoon, and I just received my first gold battery warning for my Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. It's currently at 10%. I'm just going to run it down and see this 10% how long it can last until it totally gives up. Alright, check in with you guys later. Alright guys, the time now is about 1:16 PM in the afternoon. The Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation, they are currently running at 4% battery life. It's very, very, very close to them running dead. So the final stretch, let's see which side of the earbuds lasts the longest. Do comment down in the segment below whether you think it's the left or it's the right. Catch you guys a bit later. Alright guys, you guessed it correct. Is it the left side or the right side? Well, the time now is actually 1:22 PM, and the left side died first and the right side is down to 2%. So let's see how long it can last. Alright guys, so the time now is actually 1:27 PM in the afternoon. The right side has just officially gone dead. Just to recap, I started using the Apple AirPods Pro Gen 2 at around 7:22 AM in the morning, and I just kept using it. Just want to see how far I can actually push it. Firstly, it was at 50% volume since the very beginning, and it was with ANC on throughout. So from 7:20, 8:20, 9:20, 10:20, 11:20, 12:20, 1:25. So it lasted 6 hours. But of course, the left side died about 5 minutes earlier, but still, if we take away the 5 minutes that took the right side to go to completely zero, it's 6 hours. Yeah, just as what Apple claims. But do take note that because I was playing it at the 50% volume level to get 6 hours, so I believe you may get lesser hours for those of you who actually like to play your music at higher volume level, let's say 70%, 80% or 100%. Okay, do take note that the test that I conducted today is based on 50% audio level and is at ANC on throughout. Alright, so that's all the time we have. With Johnny, see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, and another thing, this is actually a bonus for those of you who actually didn't realize. I was actually testing the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation on my iPhone 12 mini, which I have actually been using it for 2 years since it was released. back, I think it was 2020 November, and it's currently on iOS 16.1 version. Yeah. So at this time, I'm actually recording this video. The battery life on the iPhone 12 mini is left at around 39%. So yeah, it was playing music through the Apple AirPods Pro Gen 2 since like 7:22 a.m. in the morning at 100%, and now it's left with 39, using it for 6 hours straight. Good battery life.